Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about CEDEX tap. So this particular project, you can be tapping and you can also be mining this particular project. So but if you don't want to be tapping, you can only be mining it by claiming your mind. This place the root farm. You click on this farm, that's where you can be mining it, or you can call it farming. All of them are almost the same thing. So when you click on this particular place, after it has farmed finish, you see that this particular claim will turn to red. Then you click claim. When you click claim, then you click start. After that, you can go out of this particular boat and come back in few minutes time again and claim it and restart it again. It's very simple. But if you want to achieve a lot of coins both by farming and by tapping, so when you click this tab, you see something like this. You click join battle, join the battle. So when you click on it, it take you where you'll be tapping. As you can see, it's already reading. So once you tap one, as you can see, I tap on this red one. So you have to be tapping on it consistently until this particular place will be rotating. This one be minusing, this one too will minus until it's got finished. So let me tap and you will see. As you can see, as I'm tapping on this decentralized tabs, you have centralized tab and decentralized tab. So the more I'm tapping, the more all of them are reducing. Yeah. So after that, you wait. After you finish tapping, you wait for this one to return this yellow or orange color. Let it turn to black. Yes. After that, then you can be able to claim your tapped coin. Yeah. As you can see, that one, it has finished reading. So then you click on claim. Then you claim it. Then you can still tap again if you want. So guys, just follow this simple procedure and you will not be stressing yourself. Thank you. Like, comment, and make sure you follow my channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel.